I'm just going to get my hair cut now. There he is. I know, if anybody else is any more vain than me, he is.
Okay. What's the style?
Charles. And that's what it is over there, Pappy O'Hare, and I've no idea why he calls it Pappy O'Hare. I shall ask him one day.